ASK and our guest of honor today, all elected leaders here present, the CS, Agriculture, Dr. Andrew, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyeri, Mheshimiwa Gichohe, all elected members of County Assembly, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, allow me to introduce the Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyeri, Mheshimiwa Gichohe, and all MCAs present, kindly stand. I have the Majority Leader, Mheshimiwa Kanyugo. I have Mheshimiwa Magutu, Mheshimiwa Kabengo. I have Kawanjiko, the Chair, and MCA Mumoiga. I have Mheshimiwa Kabada, Mheshimiwa Iriaine Madera. I have the Chairman of Finance, Mheshimiwa Kabaida from Mukurweini West. I have Mheshimiwa Cyrus from Mukurweini Central. I have Karanja behind there, nominated MCA. I have Charity, Mheshimiwa Charity, MCA Gakawa. I also have Mheshimiwa Pauline, specially elected, representing people with disability. Mheshimiwa Wanyitu seated, also representing people with disability. Mheshimiwa Agnes, specially elected, representing gender. Mheshimiwa the whip, Mheshimiwa Sebastian. Mheshimiwa Kamakwa, Mheshimiwa Taiti, Mheshimiwa Mbishe from Endarasha, Mheshimiwa Fidelis from representing the youth, Mheshimiwa Karema, that is Mheshimiwa, pardon? Eunice, yes. I have Mheshimiwa Wangeshi, Njede, Gatito Morogoro. I have the engineer, Mheshimiwa Gataragwa. I have my own MCA, Yuko Pale. I have Mheshimiwa Kamau Johnston. I have Mheshimiwa Keremokoyo, Mheshimiwa Odagita. I have Mheshimiwa Kabaru. And Mheshimiwa Anita, I have the mayor of the area. Thank you. Your Excellency, as we today, we want to thank the ASK for annually holding this show. It gives us an opportunity to be able to exhibit what we do in the region. And Your Excellency, today is a special day for the cooperative movement. I have in this auditorium about 350 cooperative leaders. That is the chairman, the secretary, and the treasurer of all cooperative societies in Nyeri County. We decided to come here in honor of you and what you are doing for coffee, milk, and all products that we go through. This is also going to be our celebration of the International Cooperative Alliance Day. And for that, Your Excellency, we would want to tell you to continue working hard for the people of this region and the people of Kenya. The cooperative movement is a vehicle through which God Almighty will bless the people of Kenya. And Your Excellency, we heard your message. We have heard the message you have continued to give across this nation, that cooperatives must be run professionally in a transparent and an accountable way. And therefore today, Your Excellency, as you preside over this ceremony, we will be gratified if you can present some few trophies for those that have done well. Last but not least, Your Excellency, may I also mention that this is your home and we love you greatly, and the people of Kenya and this region are behind you. With those very many remarks, I know, Your Excellency, you are going to recognize the national leaders. Allow me now to invite, with a lot of respect, the current CS, the newest kid on the block, Dr. Andrew Mohia Karanja, to come and invite you. Thank you very, very much. Karibu Waziri.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, Your Excellency, the Governor of this great county of Nyeri, Mutahi Kahiga, Senators, Members of Parliament, the ASK National Chairperson, Madam Anabera Kirinya, all protocols observed, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, sir, I take this opportunity on behalf of the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development and the Agricultural Society of Kenya, ASK, and the rest of the stakeholders.
For Agriculture, Dr. Andrew Karanga, and most sought after tea, coffee, avocado, macadamia, mangoes, green beans, among others. This is raking in millions of dollars in foreign exchange annually. That is why our administration is paying close attention to the farmer, who is at the base of the production chain, in our focus of promoting resilience and sustainability of our economy, which is mainly built on a vibrant agricultural sector. Ladies and gentlemen, and our exhibitors, one of the biggest threats to a thriving small-scale farmer is climate change. I wish to thank the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development and the Agricultural Society of Kenya for the spot-on theme of this year, that is promoting climate-smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth. During my visit to various stands here this morning, farmers and exhibitors are showcasing top-notch innovations aligned to promotion of climate-smart agriculture. The government annually facilitates shows to, among other issues, build the capacity of farmers and raise awareness on new technologies for integration for higher yields. It is fulfillment of the Kenya Kwanza plan of transforming our country into a net exporter of finished products under the manufacturing strand, founded on a solid and vibrant agricultural sector. Processing will save us more than 500 billion Kenyan shillings in annual importation of foods and raise our foreign exchange profile for a stronger and better economy with more money in the pocket of the farmer. Indeed, there is more in value addition. In collaboration with counties, we are also constructing common user facilities at the county aggregation industrial parks. It is for this and other reasons that I call on our small-scale farmer to progressively integrate climate-smart farming technology. It is exciting that the Juakali artisans and other innovators are driving transformative and affordable solutions to the small-scale farmer. With the Juakali sector employing over 16 million people, we must harness their skills and expertise to spur sustainable production, more so at the bottom of the socio-economic pyramid, where most of our small-scale farmers are. To encourage the artisans to do more, we launched the recognition of prior learning policy in March 2023 to validate their skills, knowledge, and expertise through TVETs. My office, in collaboration with line ministries, has created a framework of linking artisans to job and business funding opportunities, including agribusiness and agri-tech. The innovations of this show are possible candidates for industrial application, starting with the cottage subsector to catalyze local manufacturing in the agricultural value chains. On this note, I throw a challenge to learning institutions to also focus on affordable solution-based innovations of beating climate change as envisioned under the National Value Chain Development Project on resilience. Distinguished farmers, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen, at the same time, we are working to spur the agricultural sector through radical reforms in the various value chains, including coffee, tea, dairy, avocado, macadamia, among others. The government is aware of the challenges in the macadamia subsector. As we plan for full-scale lasting reforms, informed by robust farmer engagements, we are ready to discuss with processors and exporters on minimum returns equivalent to the farmer's sweat. In the avocado subsector, we have implemented crucial interventions which have removed red tapes and streamlined processing and inspection for export. This Ladies and gentlemen, we are also organizing avocado farmers into cooperatives for better economies of scale as we expand our market into the United States of America, Japan, India, Malaysia, among others. Distinguished farmers and exhibitors in the tea subsector, we have also made progress with reforms since the Kericho Tea Conference last year. Last week in Mombasa, I engaged the new KTDA directors, and we agreed that the tea farmer is a priority. As such, cutting down on production and operational costs, eliminating loss-making subsidiaries, and strengthening value addition for more money to trickle down to the farmer must be done. I also visited warehouses in Changamwe and Jomvu for a clear understanding of the required interventions to unlock